Right, I'm going to be unboxing something a little different today than my normal stuff, but bear with me. I'm going to be unboxing this. It is the new MacBook Neo. So I've been holding the box long enough. Let's get to the unboxing. I think you're supposed to have little shots like that of the box and all that kind of stuff. I'll kind of insert those in where I can. Right, supposed to be little zip things here. That's actually quite satisfying the way those rip off. So as a bit of a tech nerd, I've always been curious about how something is going to run with such little spec. So this is actually running on the A18 chip, which is from the iPhone range. It's actually the previous generation, iPhone 16 range. And it only runs 8 gigs of RAM. I've opted for the base model, the 256 storage. There is an upgrade if you want to have double that storage, and then you also get a fingerprint reader. You don't get any more RAM for that money. You only get the fingerprint reader and double the storage. Everything I've watched online suggests that this is an absolute powerhouse, even for that minuscule spec. So let's switch to the top-down camera. Here we have the top-down camera. Hopefully the microphone can still hear me. Right, so lift the box lid off. Really nice box, as you would expect with any Apple packaging. They build boxes that you actually want to keep. And given that my channel is called Ditch the Box, I'm still going to keep this box because, you just never know if you're going to need it. Right, inside is the laptop itself. You got this little sticker pull tab thing with the word hello on it. That's a reference back to the first Mac, way back then. Right, so you pull that and the laptop comes out. Inside the box, another pull tab. All it is basically an envelope with MacBook Neo. It's probably got some safety stuff, a little quick start guide, that kind of thing. Put that aside. And inside of here, you get a coiled power cable. It's just a USB-C to C cable. It's that braided cable, so it's nice and anti. All right, so let's put that back in. Let's put the lid back on. All right, let's get to the laptop. So again, that pull tab, as I mentioned, and if you pull it, it's got little sticky things on there. All right, and then you carefully slide out the laptop. There you go. So for the laptop itself, before I get to opening it, you can see we've got these little rubberized feet underneath. So you actually have the torque screws. I've seen lots of tear downs videos and things where people have taken it apart to look and see what the battery and the processor and everything else inside is. But I'm not going to do any of those things. I just want to use it as is. Use it as a Mac for the first time in 32 years. Right, the Apple logo, iconic. You can see it's right side up when you open the lid. This is another famous thing that Apple likes, is the one finger opening. Let's see if that actually works. Yeah, if I get my nail underneath there. Yeah, it does actually work. Ooh, I can hear it. I can hear the Mac thing kind of fire up. Right, and another piece of paper, and it's starting up. You can see the Apple logo and the little progress bar there. Right, the feel of this thing is really great. The sharp edges here, all that kind of stuff feels great. It feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel like a $599 device. You got the hello coming up there, and it's going into different languages. Hola, bonjour, etc. Mousepad feels really nice. If I kind of do this, I'm going to press continue, and now I've got that out of the box experience. Right, so just had a ping that it's connected to my network, and there's a software update. I'm going to press continue to download macOS Tahoe 26.4. Right, so that's it. I've been unboxing the new MacBook Neo. I'm doing the update. I'm going to get it all set up. I'm really excited to get cracking on this. I may do some more videos, who knows, on some things that are Mac-like, on stuff that's unfamiliar to me that I normally do on PC. So stay tuned. If this has been useful, give me a like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more just like this and other types of content from Ditch the Box. Thanks very much. Catch you next video.